Discover a unique free game app that could change the way you think about mobile gaming. This free-to-play app offers the chance to win real cash rewards, redeemable gift cards, and even PayPal Cash. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now, let's get started. Unlock the power of mobile gaming and transform your life. Imagine the endless possibilities that await you. Whether you're a casual gamer or a seasoned pro, Cashword app offers a unique opportunity to elevate your gaming experience and potentially change the trajectory of your life. The Cashword app is a free-to-play word game that offers users the chance to win real cash rewards, redeemable gift cards, and PayPal Cash. The remarkable 4.7-star rating from over 4,100 reviews and the impressive 50,000-plus downloads speak volumes about the power of this app. The gameplay is simple yet engaging, with a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for players of all skill levels to participate. As users progress through the levels, they can earn points that can be redeemed for various prizes, including cash payouts and gift cards from popular retailers. One of the standout features of the Cashword app is its commitment to providing genuine cash rewards. Unlike many free-to-play games that offer virtual currencies or in-app purchases, this app allows users to directly convert their earned points into real-world monetary value, making it an attractive option for those seeking a chance to win tangible prizes. The app's frequent tournaments and challenges further enhance the experience, giving players the opportunity to compete against others and potentially increase their earnings. With its blend of word-based gameplay and the potential for cash rewards, the Cashword app offers a unique and engaging experience for anyone looking to exercise their vocabulary skills while earning valuable prizes. This word game app offers a straightforward and accessible gameplay experience. Players connect letters by swiping to form words and progress through levels. No time constraints, allowing players to proceed at their own pace regardless of skill level. Simple graphics and subtle background music enhance the gaming experience. The game can be played without an internet connection. Complimentary assistance. Free hints are available to help players when needed. Extensive content. Over 2,000 unique levels provide ample opportunity for vocabulary improvement. Relaxed atmosphere. The game is designed for casual play without pressure or urgency. This combination of features makes the game suitable for players seeking an engaging yet low-stress word puzzle experience. Unlock a world of excitement, rewards, and brain-boosting fun. Download Word Game app now. Enjoy the fun of the game, win cash rewards, redeem gift cards, and get PayPal Cash. Before we wrap up, we have a quick request for you. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might also be interested. Your support helps us create more informative content just like this. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos about making money methods. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.